Good morning. Welcome to Radio Express. News reading by Anakha Saju. India called on China to work sincerely on the disengagement plan at the line of actual control as agreed to by the special representatives from both sides. This came amidst concerns that the disengagement process at the line of actual control has slowed down after People's Liberation Army soldiers failed to withdraw from the ridges of the finger areas along the Pangong Tso Lake. In a move that will mainly affect entities from China, the government has amended the General Financial Rules 2017, imposing restrictions on public procurement from bidders of countries that share a land border with India, citing grounds of defense and national security. Bidders from these countries will be eligible only if they are registered with the registration committee constituted by the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. As per the order issued late on Thursday, they will also be required to take a mandatory political and security clearance from the Ministries of External Affairs and Home. Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot on Thursday said the assembly session would be called soon and claimed that he had full majority and all legislators of the ruling party were united. The crucial High Court verdict on the disqualification notices issued by the Assembly Speaker to the rebel Congress leader Sachin Pilot and 18 dissident MLAs will be announced today. The Bharatiya Janata Party is planning a mega function in Jammu and Kashmir on the first anniversary of revocation of the Union Territory's special status. During a 15-day-long program from August 5th, the tricolour will be unfurled in all the zonal, tehsil and district headquarters, party sources said. Besides, municipal wards and head offices with significant presence of BJP members will organize ceremonies to celebrate the occasion. A number of union ministers will also address virtual rallies. According to NASA, a huge asteroid 2020 ND, will move past Earth tomorrow on July 24th. It is said that the asteroid is traveling at a high speed of 48,000 kilometers per hour. NASA also said in a statement that the distance from the Earth categorizes this asteroid as potentially dangerous. The Ministry of Home Affairs has issued detailed guidelines for the Independence Day celebration at the state, district and panchayat level. The guidelines suggest inviting COVID warriors such as doctors, health workers and sanitation workers as a recognition of their noble service in the fight against the pandemic. Some persons cured from COVID-19 may also be invited, the guidelines said. The Independence Day celebrations at the Red Fort will be limited to the Prime Minister's speech, a 21-gun salute, unfurling of the national flag, national anthem and the release of tricolour balloons. A government panel has decided against relaxing the almost year-long curbs on internet services in Jammu and Kashmir for now, the Supreme Court was told on Thursday. The special committee set up on the Supreme Court's direction will review the situation again after 2 months. The government said after considering all the factors of the matter, the committee had arrived at the decision that no further relaxation of the restriction on internet services, including 4G services, could be carried out at present. A day after the country reported a record 46,000 coronavirus cases in a single day, the centre will hold a video conference with 8 states which it views as a cause of concern to check the spread of the virus. The meeting scheduled today will feature a detailed discussion between a team of experts from the centre as well as senior health ministry officials and officers from Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Telangana, Orissa, West Bengal, Assam, Karnataka and Uttar Pradesh. Niti Aayog has described the data used in the Global Hunger Index 2019 as outmoded and asked the publishers to consult the government before publishing reports. The index ranked India at 102 among 117 countries. In a letter to the GHI publishers, Niti Aayog CEO Amitabh Kant said that the GHI does not accurately represent the progress India has been making in improving the overall nutritional status of the country. Thank you for being with us.
Radio Express.
To receive Radio Express English news and English programs in your WhatsApp, please send a WhatsApp message English programs to 90727 95547 and please subscribe to our YouTube channel Radio Express. Thank you.